Hi, this is Joey Marcelo, and welcome to the Sunday International Business Presentation. You're in front of a wonderful opportunity, and I assure you, after this program, you'll be amazed na napakalaki po pala talaga ng opportunity in this industry called wellness. Before I start, let me just have some request. Una po sa lahat, just keep an open mind. I'm not saying that this opportunity is for you. Actually, may kasabihan po tayong opportunities never lost. It simply goes to those who are ready. The question is, ready na po ba kayo? So just keep an open mind. You'll never know, baka ito na po talaga yung hinahanap nating opportunity. My second request is that if you have some questions, pakisulat lang po sa isang maliit na papel. And later on, right after the presentation, you can ask or call the person who gave you this videotape. And of course, my last request is just keep a beautiful smile while watching this presentation. I assure you, the worst thing that can happen to you after this presentation is learn the value of nutrition and at the same time, learn the value of setting up your own home-based business. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the program. Now to start with, let me just present to you a concept na natutunan po namin several years ago. In fact, many people nowadays are really asking, how will I really know if a network marketing or a distribution company is really here for the long term? Ibig sabihin po na pag sumali kayo, siguradong tatagal na pwede mo nang ipamana sa mga anak mo. Let me present to you the concept of the four-legged horse. Ito pong konseptong ito ay natutunan namin sa isang international network marketer who have already earned millions of dollars because of this industry. And this is the concept of the four-legged horse. According to that guru in network marketing, a company, just like a horse, kailangan po niya ng 4 legs bago po yang makatakbo ng maayos. If a horse ay tatakbo at mapuputo ng isa niyang paa, I assure you, ito po ay babagal and eventually madadapa. Lalo na po, siguro, kung yung kabayo ay putol na ang 2 paa. And just like a horse, a company po should also have 4 legs. Ang kumpanya po, pag naputol po ang isa sa 4 niyang paa, hindi man ngayon, but I do believe that someday, it will also fold up just like the horse na naputulan ng isang paa. Now, what are the 4 legs of a company? Number 1 is the company itself. Whenever presented with an opportunity, the first thing that you need to ask yourself is, sino ba ang mga nagpapatakbo ng kumpanya? Are they entrepreneurs? Or are they network marketers? Or a combination of both? Importante pong malaman natin yan. Hindi po, porket tayo po ay magaling na network marketer, we can already run a network marketing business. And on the other way around, even though that we're a great entrepreneur, it doesn't mean that we can run our own network marketing company. There should be a balance between entrepreneurship and being a network marketer. The second leg of a company is the product. Napaka-importante po that the company should have a wonderful product that is in front of a major trend. Hindi po porkit may produkto ang isang kumpanya ay tatagal na po ito. Kasi ang question is, will people buy the product of that company even though there's no business opportunity? Or is there a compelling reason why people will buy a product? Hindi po kasi pwede na naglagay lang ng produkto just because there's a business involved. And of course, the third leg of a company is the compensation plan. Meaning, if I'll join a network marketing or distribution business, is there an opportunity for me to earn or meaning change my life for the better by earning in the opportunity presented by the company? Kailangan din po may opportunity ang mga magiging distributor na kumita galing po sa compensation plan ng kumpanya. But of course, I have to warn you, hindi ibig sabihin na kung maganda ang kitaan sa isang kumpanya ay tatagal na ito. Because nowadays, if a company is not careful with their compensation plan, there comes a point wherein nakaka-experience po sila ng overpayment. Meaning, pag nagpasok ng let's say 10,000 ng isang distributor, more than 20, 30, or even 50,000 ang kailangan bayaran ng kumpanya. Hindi po na-experience yan at start. But eventually, if there's an error in the design of the compensation plan, there will come a point na mag-overpay yung kumpanya. And of course, the last leg of the company is the system. Nowadays, having a good product, good compensation plan, and a good company background does not assure you na tatagal po ang isang kumpanya. Importante po ngayon ang sistema. Meaning how distributors transact business with the company, how the company deliver its product, how the company disburses the commission of the distributors, and can the company operate internationally? Yan po ang mga katanungan. Just to assure you that a company really has the system to make the company last long in the business. So those are the four-legged horse, and it will be the foundation of the business presentation of Sante International. The company, the product, the compensation plan, and the system. Let me present to you the company, the people behind Sante International. Of course, let me introduce to you the CEO of the company, yours truly, Mr. Jesus Joey Marcelo. And of course, let me introduce to you also my partners in the business. First is Mr. Ronnie Piñon, who is the head of our operation or our COO. Of course, we have Mr. Erickson Maranan, who heads our finance or our CFO. And of course, one of the most important person in the team is Miss Minerva Carag, because she is the one entrusted to head the product development of Sante International. Sante International was founded last November of 2008 with more than 50 years of combined direct selling and network marketing experience. And we are also backed up by an international organization. Our head office currently is in Juan San Miguel, and we will be transferring soon to a bigger and newer office at the Robinsons Galleria Corporate Center. Now, let me discuss to you the vision and mission of Sante International. The vision of Sante International is we see Sante as an unmatched global provider of premier wellness products and services. And to do this, let me present to you our mission. The mission of Sante International is to build and maintain our leadership in the wellness industry. And to do this, we will do the following. Number one, we will ensure the continuing growth of our people and organization through an aggressive program of professional and organizational development. Number two, build and maintain the highest level of competence and excellence in developing wellness products and services. And number three, we will justly compensate and reward outstanding performance in all aspects of our operations, especially in customer service. Truly mga kapatid, with this, I assure you that you're in front of a wonderful company that will really stay not only for now, but will be handed out through the next generation. Welcome to Sante International, and these are the people behind the company. Now, let's talk about the second leg of a company. Let's proceed with the products of Sante International. But before I do that, let us have some health talk. Let me just give you a glimpse. What are the major causes of death and mortality in the Philippines? Ano po ba talaga ang pumapatay sa isang Pilipino? Nowadays, I do believe, and based on statistics, that most deaths are caused not by old age, but by diseases. Do you still remember of someone na kakilala nyo na namatay dahil sa sobrang tanda? Or marami sa kanila namamatay because of diseases? Do you know that on the average, a Filipino life expectancy for males is 67 years old? At sa mga kababaihan naman po, ay 73 years old. Bakit kaya pabata ng pabata ang namamatay sa ating mga Pilipino? And the next question is, bakit kaya mas mahaba ang buhay ng mga kababaihan kaysa kalalakihan? Well, I've talked to several people, and maybe these are the top 3 reasons. Number 1, women are very emotional. And in times of problems and heartaches, ang mga kababaihan daw po, kayang ilabas yan by crying. Na ilalabas po nila ang sama ng kanilang mga loob. Pero minsan po, kaming mga kalalakihan, hirap na hirap po kaming ilabas yan or i-express yung feeling namin. Number 2, according to some doctors, women daw have menstruation. Ibig sabihin yung ibang dumi at toxin sa katawan nila, kayang ilabas on a monthly basis through their monthly period. And number 3, I don't know if you will agree, sabi po ng ibang kalalakihan, kaya raw po maagang namamatay ang mga lalaki ay dahil po konsumido raw sa mga babae. Hindi po. Biro lang yung number 3. But let's face it, ladies and gentlemen, these are facts that by far, 67 years old ang mga kalalakihan, 73 years old ang average na buhay ng kababaihan. And now, let me discuss to you what are the major causes of death in the country. May nakuha po kaming data from 1999 up to present. At ito na po yun. The number 1 cause of death as of the moment is still heart disease. Number 2 is disease of the vascular system. Number 3 is malignant neoplasm, tumor or cancer. Number 4 is pneumonia. And number 5 is tuberculosis. This is according to the Philippine Health Statistics. Now the question is this. Why is it that through the years, okay, since 1999, yung top 5 major causes of death ay hindi po nagbabago? Heart disease, laging yan ang number 1. The question is, what are the major culprits? Sino ba talagang may kasalanan? Let's identify some major causes, some major culprits that are the reasons on why the top 5 causes of death, even until now, yung pa rin po. Number 1 is air pollution. We don't have a choice, mga kapatid. Araw-araw yung nilalanghap nating hangin, hindi natin sigurado kung malinis pa. Sa itim ng usok ng mga sasakyan, sa mga polusyon na ibinubuga ng mga factories dito po sa Pilipinas, hindi natin sigurado kung yung hangin na nilalanghap natin ay malinis. Number 2, of course, is water pollution. Hindi na rin natin sigurado kung ang tubig na iniinom natin ay talaga bang malinis or hindi. Dati po, nung kapanahonan ng mga parents natin, ng mga lola natin, ang tubig iniinom lang galing gripo. Pero ngayon po, hindi na tayo makainom ng tubig sa gripo. Bakit po kaya? Simple lang. Because we believe that it's not safe anymore to drink water from the faucet because of water pollution. And we don't have a choice. Next, of course, is the food that we eat. Yung nutritional support na kailangan natin na hindi natin nakukuha sa mga pagkain kinakain natin. Napakarami na po ng fast foods nowadays. And we don't have a choice. Because of our very, very busy schedule, halos hindi tayo makapagluto ng pagkain at lahat ay binibili na lang natin sa labas. And even those people na nakakapagluto pa sa bahay at nakakapamalengke, ang tanong is, sigurado ba tayo that the vegetable that we are taking ay walang mga chemicals? Because another reason on why dumadami po ang taong nagkakaroon ng sakit sa puso, cancer, and other major cause of death is because of the chemicals that are being sprayed in our vegetables. Hindi na po natin talaga sigurado kung ano ba ang ginamit o ano bang pamamaraan para ang ating mga halaman, ating mga gulay ay palakihin at patubuin ng ating mga kababayan. Now, of course, another reason on why the top 5 major cause of death is still inexistent for so many years now is because of an unhealthy lifestyle. Marami po sa atin ang naninigarilyo. Marami ang umiinom. Marami ang may iba-ibang bisyo. Alam naman po natin na ito po ay nakakadagdag o nakaka-contribute sa ating pong mga diseases at mga sakit. Isama na rin po natin dyan yung tinatawag na too much drinking of alcohol. Isama na rin natin yung nightlife. Now the question is this, porkit ba hindi tayo gumigimik sa gabi, hindi tayo nag-enjoy, wala tayong nightlife, ay hindi na tayo apektado nitong sistemang ito. Papaalala ko lang po sa ating mga tagapakinig, to all our listeners, that people nowadays who are working in call center, hindi po makakaligtas dito. And these, ladies and gentlemen, are the reason on why tayo po ay nagkakasakit. On why the top 5 cause of death is really evident in our society, maybe not only now, but in the future generation. So we don't have a choice. We're faced with this fact. And the next question is, what can we do to at least supplement these deficiencies para maiwasan po natin ang mga sakit? We found out that there's a solution. There's a way on how to supplement ourselves with nutrition that hindi po natin nakukuha sa mga pagkain kinakain natin. We've been studying food supplements for several years now. And in fact, ang dami na po naming tinignang produkto with a hope that someday we can find a product so powerful that it can really counter nutritional problems of people, especially here in the Philippines. And we came into something that's so powerful na kahit kami po mismo ay hindi kami maniwala eh. We came across a doctor named Dr. Hagiwara. Okay? Hindi po namin siya na-meet in person, but we researched all over the internet for someone in authority when it comes to a powerful food supplement. Na-meet po namin sa internet si Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara. He is a doctor, a scientist, an inventor, a pharmacology, and an entrepreneur. Nag-aral po siya ng more than 150 vegetables and herbs, and he found out that there's a herb or a grass named barley. Nung pinag-aralan po niya yon, ang napatunayan niya lang is that barley is the only vegetation on earth that can supply nutritional support from birth up to old age. That's how powerful barley is. And it's so exciting because nung tinitingnan namin yung barley, it's considered as a total complete food. In fact, barley is considered as a product recognized by science as the most nutritious of all plant foods, containing a broad spectrum of essential amino acid, vitamins, minerals, enzymes. Meron pa po itong chlorophyll, phytonutrients, and phytochemicals that our bodies require for the proper functioning of organs and the immune system. Scientific fact shows that barley really has lots of micronutrients. In fact, it has 17 minerals, 16 vitamins, 20 enzymes, and 18 amino acids. And it's very exciting considering na itong gulay na ito, itong vegetable na to, ay present na during the early times pa. Pero how come ngayon lang natin nakita ang power ng barley? Based on study, makikita po natin that barley is, number 1, 11 times calcium and 30 times the vitamin B1 than cow's milk. 5 times the iron, 6 times carotene, and 3 times vitamin C than spinach. Barley is also 2 times the beta-carotene of carrots, 7 times the vitamin C of orange. It's 4 times the vitamin B1 than whole wheat flour, and 80 milligrams of vitamin B12 per 100 grams. And this is according to the Resource Research Association Office of Science and Technology, Japan Food Analysis Center. Let me discuss to you yet another important term in nutrition na medyo nadidinig po natin araw-araw, especially whenever we talk about food supplement. And this is the word antioxidant. And do you know that antioxidant is being measured based on its ORAC value, or oxygen radical absorbance capacity? To discuss this to you further, let me just give you the top 2 vegetable and the top 2 fruit when it comes to antioxidant value or ORAC values. Ano kaya ang tingin yung number 1 when it comes to fruits? Based on statistics, the number 1 is prunes with a 5,770 ORAC value. Number 2 is raisins with 2,830. And when it comes to vegetable, number 1 is kale. And kale is a variant of repolyo with a 1,770 ORAC value. Ang pangalawa po dyan ay spinach with a 1,260 ORAC value. Sinama ko na rin po yung isang fruit na alam nating napaka-powerful in terms of antioxidant. But based on study, it has 739 ORAC value. We were surprised when we found out that barley alone, meron po itong 25,500 ORAC value per 100 grams. And this is by far, ladies and gentlemen, one, if not the most powerful antioxidant known to man. No other food can give us this antioxidant protection. Napaka-powerful po talaga ng barley. Yung kailangan ng ating katawan na nami-miss out natin sa pang-araw-araw nating kinakain ay makukuha pa natin sa barley. Ladies and gentlemen, this is really very exciting because ito pong barley, sabi nga po ng isa kong kaibigan, this is a gift from nature. One of the most important point that I would like to present to you about barley is that there is already a claim coming from the US FDA. Meron pong isang circulation na nilabas several years back na according to FDA or the US Food and Drug Administration that today the Food and Drug or the FDA announced that it has finalized a rule that allows foods containing barley to claim that they can reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. Mga kapatid, napaka-importante po nito para sa atin. Considering that the number 1 cause of death in the Philippines is still heart disease. And by far, sinabi na po ng FDA yan, we can already claim that barley can really reduce the risk and even eliminate heart disease. Importante pong malaman natin yan dahil po napakarami nating kamag-anak at kaibigan na mayroong risk na magkaroon ng sakit sa puso. Mga kapatid, barley po is a solution. Nandito na po, brought to you by Sante International. Now, let me discuss to you the products of Sante. By far, Sante launched 3 products. First is the Sante Barley Pure New Zealand. 1 box po, pag kayo ay distributor ng kumpanya, is 600 pesos per box. 10 pesos po lumalabas per capsule, and if you're not our distributor, you can buy the product at 900 pesos per box or 15 pesos per capsule. Ang isang box po ay may lamang 60 vegetable capsules with 500 mg per capsule. At ang ating pong Sante Barley Pure New Zealand ay may 40 barley points. Our second product is the Sante Pure Barley New Zealand. 1 box po ay mayroong lamang 30 sachet of pure 3 grams of barley with a natural sweetener stevia. Ang isang box po, if you're our distributor, is 1,260. Pag hindi naman po kayo distributor, it's 1,820 per box. So lumalabas po, pag kayo ay distributor ng kumpanya, you can just buy the products for only 42 pesos per sachet. Ang isang box po ng ating Sante Pure Barley New Zealand is 100 barley points. Our third product is the Sante Barley Fusion. If you're our distributor, you can buy the product at 165 pesos per box. Roughly 16.50 per sachet. And if you are not our distributor, if you're not a member of Sante International, you can buy the product at 230 pesos per box or 23 pesos per sachet. Ang isang box po ay may lamang 10 sachets, 15 grams per sachet with 10 barley points. Now, dahil po ang ating kumpanya ay medyo nakatipid sa pagbili ng mga raw materials ng ating produkto dahil direct po ang source natin from New Zealand,
we've managed to create some product package na alam po naming matutuwa ang ating mga distributors. The first package is the wellness kit. Yung wellness kit po, you can buy 4 boxes of our Sante Barley Pure New Zealand for a price of 3. So lumalabas po ang ating 4 na boxes ay 1,800 lang ang distributor's price. On a per capsule basis, you can just buy the product for only 750 per capsule. Ang ating pong wellness kit is 100 barley points. Our second product package is the Power Pack. Yung Power Pack naman po, you can buy 4 boxes of our Sante Pure Barley New Zealand for a price of 3. Yung ating pong 4 boxes is only 3,780 pesos distributor's price or roughly 31.50 per sachet. Ang ating pong Power Pack is 300 barley points. And our third product package is the Fusion Pack. Fusion Pack, again, you can buy the product, okay, 4 boxes of Fusion Pack for a price of 3. Yung ating pong Fusion Pack is 495 pesos ang distributor's price. Lumalabas po, nasa 12.40 na lang per sachet ng ating Barley Fusion. Our Fusion Pack is 20 barley points. So right now, meron pong 3 produkto ang Sante International. But our commitment is we will be launching more and more barley products soon.
Now let's talk about the third part of our presentation, the third leg of a company. Let's talk about business. Let's have some business talk, ladies and gentlemen. Let me discuss to you how a distributor can earn from the Sante International business opportunity. But to get things started, every member needs to know that before they can become part of Sante International, they have to purchase our Pure Barley Pack. And let me discuss to you the details of this pack.
Our Pure Barley Pack contains the following. Number 1, may kasama po itong 3 boxes ng ating Sante Barley Pure New Zealand. May kasama rin po itong 1 box of Sante Pure Barley New Zealand. May kasama po itong distributor's registration card, DVD, and marketing materials. Now, let me present to you the features of this pack. First, you'll be given up to 50% discounts on all the products of Sante International. Number 2, you will be given a business opportunity, a personal business website, SMS business system, airload distributorship, plus a scholarship and affiliates program. Initially, once na bumili po kayo ng ating Pure Barley Pack, you'll be given a 50% gift certificate discount from Informatics Galleria. Meaning po, if you have relatives, friends, or kahit kayo mismo, gusto nyo pong pumasok sa informatics, meron po kayong 50% discount sa tuition fee sa kanilang school. Just in case naman po that we are not in need of the Informatics Galleria gift certificate, pwede nyo pong itago itong gift certificate na to and wait for the new scholarship program or companies or schools na magiging kataya po ng Sante International. At pwede nyo pong ipapalit itong informatics gift certificate sa Sante International at papalitan po natin to ng school of your choice. Next, with the Pure Barley Pack, you'll also be entitled to become part of the Big League Enterprise. Meaning, member na rin po kayo ng lahat ng kumpanya na sineservisyohan ng Big League. Ang ating Pure Barley Pack is 3,988. But of course, the good news is, pag tinotal po natin yung lamang produkto nito, which is yung 3 boxes ng ating Sante Barley Pure at 1 box ng ating Sante Pure Barley, ang total product value po ay 4,650. So with this, once na bumili po kayo ng Pure Barley Pack, you are now a legitimate distributor of Sante International and you'll get all the benefits ng isa pong member ng ating kumpanya. Now, let's talk about the different ways to earn in Sante International. First way to earn is what we call as a retail bonus. As a member of Sante, you'll be given up to 50% discount on subsequent purchases of Sante International products. Meaning, once na member na po kayo ng kumpanya, hindi nyo na po kailangang bilhin ng ating Sante Barley Pure New Zealand ng 15 pesos per capsule. Ito po ay mabibili nyo na lang via our wellness kit ng 750 per capsule. So if you're a distributor who are really interested in the business of direct selling, 100% po ang kikitain nyo sa bawat produktong maibebenta nyo. And this is our first way to earn that we called retail bonus. Our second way to earn is the fast start bonus. Every time that you can directly refer a prospective distributor in Sante International na bibili ng Pure Barley Pack, you will immediately earn 300 pesos.
Now, the third way to earn is an exciting one. Tawagin na lang po natin itong infinity bonus. Bakit po infinity bonus? Because in this way to earn, distributors can earn up to the infinite level. Meaning, up to the very last distributor that will be invited in the organization. And this is how the infinity bonus works. If one will purchase the Pure Barley Pack, he will be given a business node. At yung business node pong yan has the opportunity to earn huge amount of income in the Sante business opportunity. Kung meron po tayong isang business node, all we need to do is build two teams. The left and the right team, meaning invite at least two people na magiging interested to be a distributor of the company. You put one on the left team and one on your right team, meaning silang dalawa po ay magkakaroon din ng business node or business center. But listen to this. Pag nagkaroon po kayo ng isa sa left at isa sa right, meaning dalawang kaibigan na bumili ng Pure Barley Pack, immediately the company will give you a link. And every link will give you an amount, which I'll be discussing to you later on. But to proceed, what if yung dalawang mong kaibigan ay nag-invite ng tigdalawa? And those two friends under them also invited two each, and so on and so forth. Ang good news with our infinity bonus, whenever there are people on your left who will buy the Pure Barley Pack, and people on your right who will buy the Pure Barley Pack, whether kakilala mo or hindi, the company will give you a link. And every link, the company will give you 500 pesos. Please take note that in our infinity bonus, there's no maximum daily income limit. No flash out. Guaranteed strong leg retention, meaning hindi po mawawala ang pinagpaguran nyo. Number 4, there's no registration limit, meaning as a distributor, I can buy as many Pure Barley Packs as I want. And of course, number 5, this is a guaranteed safe compensation plan, meaning safe po on the part of the company, that there will never be a point wherein the company will overpay. And please take note that the maximum is 64 links per level per side. Let me just present to you a simulation on how the infinity bonus works. For example, Monday, may pumasok na 5 on your left who purchased the Pure Barley Pack. 10 on your right, so meaning, ang total links mo that day is 5 links. Times 500 pesos, that's 2,500. Not bad for a one-day income. Next day, may pumasok na 15 sa left at may pumasok na 5 sa right. Obviously, may sumobrang 5 sa'yo sa right side on Monday na makikarry over yan sa Tuesday. So meaning on Tuesday, you have 10 links. Times 500, that's 5,000 pesos. On Wednesday, you have 10 on the left and 15 on the right. Again, yung sumobrang 5 sa left on Tuesday will be carried over on Wednesday. So meaning you have 15 links on Wednesday. Times 500, that's 7,500. What if someday on Thursday you have 15 links? That's 7,500. 20 links on Friday, that's 10,000. 64 links on Saturday, that's 32,000. 100 links on Sunday, that's 50,000. Meaning in 1 week, pwede kang kumita ng 114,500. And that's really a huge business opportunity considering that you're just starting the Sante International business. And again, let me just remind you, you can earn up to the infinite level. In Tagalog, hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Now let's talk about the second way to earn. Let's talk about what will happen if these people in your organization will continuously buy the products of the company. The next way to earn is what we called as the builder's bonus. Meaning, if people that you referred in the organization will continuously buy products, meron po kayong kikitaing percentage sa purchases nila. when you purchase the Pure Barley Pack, you are considered as a distributor of the company. And as a distributor, you can earn up to the 5th level. Ngayon, habang tumatagal ka sa organization at dumadami ang nare-refer mong distributor, if you already have between 3 to 5 distributors under your group that you directly referred, you will now be upgraded as a dealer. And on the builder's bonus, you can now earn up to the 6th level. If you already have between 6 to 9 direct referrals, you are now an associate director and you can now earn up to the 7th level. And if you already have between 10 to 12 directly sponsored distributors, you are now considered as a director and you can now earn up to the 8th level. If you already have between 13 to 15 direct referrals, you are now considered as a senior director and you can now earn up to the 9th level. And if you already have 16 direct referrals and up, you are now considered as an executive director and you can now earn up to the 10th level. Now, of course, in the builder's bonus, you have a next goal. Your next goal is to invite other people and develop them to become executive directors. And this is what will happen if you can help your team develop other executive directors in their organization. If you are already an executive director and you've developed 3 EDs in your organization, you are now considered as a gold ED. Pag meron na naman po kayong 5 executive directors in your group, you are now considered as a platinum ED. At pag meron ka ng 7 direct EDs in your group, you are now considered as a diamond ED. And if you are a gold, platinum, and diamond, you can now earn from the executive bonus, meaning as a gold ED, you'll be given an additional 4% up to infinity. If you're a platinum ED, an additional 7% up to infinity. And if you are a diamond ED, you'll be given an additional 10% up to infinity. And this is very exciting because just the same with the infinity bonus, with the executive bonus, you can earn up to the infinite level. Now, for you to appreciate the builder's bonus, let me just give you a simulation. A very simple computation on how the builder's bonus will affect your organization. Assuming nag-build ka, not only in the Philippines, but let's say all over the world. This is the question. Do you think it's possible for you to invite 5 people in the organization? Yes, just 5 people. And help those 5 get another 5. Remember, in the builder's bonus, we call your first 5 as your first level. Pag yung 5 mo naka-invite ng tig-5, we will call them your second level. And let's say na perfect po natin 5 by 5 up to the 10th level, meaning invited 5, you help the 5, get another 5, and so on and so forth. Once na makumpleto po natin yung 10 levels, and let's assume that everyone is just purchasing 1 box of pure barley NZ per month, the potential income is 478 million. And that's a per month income. Now, I agree with you kung sasabihin yung overwhelming, that's 478 million. Now, let me just present to you a very, very conservative scenario. Let's forget about the 10 levels. Let's just talk about your first 5 levels. Once na makumpleto mo yung first 5 levels at 5 by 5, meaning you invite the 5 and you help the 5 get another 5 up to the 5th level. Ano kayang pwede mangyari if everyone will just be purchasing 1 box of pure barley NZ per month? If that event will happen, the potential income is still 79,200 pesos per month. Ang tanong lang naman dyan is simple, mga kapatid eh. Malaki ba ang maitutulong sa inyo ng 79,000 per month? And I do believe na napaka-conservative po niyan. Because 5 lang ang invite nyo. At 5 rin din ang in-invite nila. And everyone is just purchasing 1 box. What more, if you can invite more than 5, and if people under you will be purchasing not only 1 box, but several boxes of all of our products in Sante International. Let me present to you our next way to earn, and this is the global bonus. Sante International will set aside a portion of the company's income to be given to qualified gold EDs, platinum EDs, and diamond EDs, and will be distributed on an annual basis. The company is also excited in giving its distributors a car, travel, or house allowance. Now to continue. Paano ba na-disburse ng mga distributors ang kanilang mga bonuses sa Sante International? The Fast Start bonus and the Infinity bonus is computed and released on a daily basis. The Builder's bonus and Executive bonus is computed on a monthly basis, while the Franchise Leverage Program is computed every 4 months. The Franchise Leverage Program is a program entirely for all franchisees of the company. Ito po i-discuss sa inyo ng taong nagbigay sa inyo ng CD presentation na ito. And of course, our global bonus is computed annually. Now the question is, how can distributors get their commissions from the company? The company will be giving us 3 options. Number 1, they can get their commissions via wire transfer, meaning they can transfer their commissions to their bank account. Right now, we have 2 options. Number 1, a distributor can open a BPI account. Or number 2, they can just apply using the Sante online system for a China Trust Visa card. Ito pong China Trust Visa card is accepted globally dahil international card po ito. So, number 1, they can transfer their commissions to these ATMs. Number 2, they can also request for a commission check. If you will request for a check disbursement before 10 a.m. of Wednesday, you can get your check sa susunod na Biyernes. Our third option is the Lig Wallet. Lig Wallet is an electronic money of Sante International, and distributors can use the Lig Wallet to purchase any other products in the system, or they can also use the Lig Wallet to sell any types of load using our airload system, which I'll be discussing to you later on. So these are the ways on how distributors can disburse their commissions in Sante International. Now let's talk about the fourth leg of the company. And I do believe by far, isa ito sa pinaka-importante. Because without this, I do believe na ang isang kumpanya ay pwedeng madapa balang araw. Let me discuss to you the system of Sante International. Let's start with the company's online system. Every distributor will be given a personal business website, and online, they can access their business right at the comfort of their homes. Every member will be given a website. And using this website, pwede mo silang mag-log in using their ID numbers and password. Of course, online, members can monitor the updates of the company. Number 2, of course, they can monitor the performance of their business. Online, members or distributors, pwede po silang bumili ng produkto. Online, they can monitor sino po ba ang pumapasok sa organization nila on the left and on the right side. Mamamonitor din po nila kung ilan na po ang kanilang car plan point sa left at car plan point sa right. And online, members can monitor who are the people registering in their organization. They can do this on a daily basis, meaning kahit po ako ay nasa bahay lang, I can monitor ilan po ba ang nagre-register sa akin ngayong araw. Ilan bang nag-register since last week, since last month, etc. etc. Because pwede pong i-filter yan ng ating mga distributors. Online, distributors can also monitor how much they are earning. They can check their account balance, and pag nakita nilang meron pang available balance sa kanilang komisyon, they can easily click request disbursement and immediately transfer their commissions to their bank account, request for a Lig Wallet, or request for a commission check. So, ganyan pong ka-convenient ang system ng kumpanya. In fact, kahit wala kang computer sa bahay, you can just go to any internet cafe and monitor the performance of your business or disburse your commissions anytime, any day. Using the online system of the company, you can also monitor how much is the performance of every members in your team. Meaning, dito po malalaman nyo how much you're earning from the purchases of people in your organization. Very transparent yung kumpanya na hindi mo nakakailanganin pang pumunta sa opisina para i-request ang summary report ng lahat ng purchases ng grupo mo. Very powerful talaga ang online system ng Sante, and I do believe that this will really be our edge when it comes to opening an international business. Number 2, let me discuss to you the SMS business system of Sante International. Using the SMS business system of Sante International, you can do your business with us using your cell phones. In fact, you can register new distributors using your cell phone. In our SMS business system, we have what we call as the bonus auto notification, meaning, pag kami po ay nag-compute ng commission, for example, our infinity bonus is being computed every day. Our cutoff time is 12 midnight. By 1 o'clock, the system will compute your commission, and between 1 to 1:30, lahat po ng nakatanggap ng commission will immediately be informed via text message how much they earn sa ating system. Ang suggestion ko lang po, once na na-text po kayo ng ating sistema, wag po kayong magre-reply ng K, thanks, who you? Kasi po ang dami namin experience at natutuwa po kami because distributors are very excited with our SMS business system. In fact, given the right parameter, pwede po kayong mag-reply ng text sa kumpanya para po yung commission nyo ay maipasok na directly sa bank account nyo, magawa namin kayo ng cheque, or mabigyan namin kayo ng League Wallet. And you can do this right at the comfort of your homes. We're just one text away. And of course, you can do many other things with your SMS business system. You can do bonus update, League Wallet inquiry, product reordering, customer service, and many more. Last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, let me discuss to you our airload system. With the airload system, you have access as a distributor to more than 250 types of load. We consider this as a value-added service, pero ang nakakatuwa po rito, kung ikaw po ay prepaid cellphone user, you don't need to buy sa mga tindahan because using the airload system, you can convert your commissions into a League Wallet and use League Wallet to transfer a cellphone load to your cellphone account. In fact, pasahan mo ng sarili mo ng 30 pesos na load, kumita ka pa ng mga around 3 pesos. Not bad. But let's face it, yung iba, ginagawa rin to as a business opportunity. Ginagamit nila ang kanilang komisyon para ipangbenta as cellphone loads. You can sell a load using our online system, meaning you can log onto your account, choose a load, send it to a mobile number, pay using League Wallet, and that's it. You can also sell a load using your cell phone. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the power of Sante International. Now, let me present to you what to do next in Sante International. I do believe na marami po sa atin ang excited ng malaman. Ano ba ang kailangan kong gawin in order to start this wonderful opportunity with a great product, a great system, a great company, great compensation plan? The first thing that you need to do, of course, is purchase the Pure Barley Pack. Purchase the Pure Barley Pack at 3,988. You are considered as a distributor, makakatipid ka na sa produkto, makakasimula ka na ng negosyo mo. Number 2, never talk to anyone unless you are trained. The next thing that you need to do is simply write your name list. Just list down names of people na gusto mong matulungan sa negosyong to. And remember, in writing down names, never prejudge anyone. Kunin mo lang ang cellphone mo, basahin mo yung mga pangalan ng mga kaibigan mo, isulat mo lang yan, and that's it. You don't even have to call them yet. Please, don't call anyone yet unless you are trained. You might say the wrong thing to a right person. And remember, you're only given one chance. And what you need to do after writing down your name list is attend our new distributors training every Saturday, 3 p.m. in our branch in Show Boulevard or in any other new distributors training being conducted nationwide. Never talk to anyone yet. Attend our new distributors training. Tuturuan namin kayo kung anong gagawin nyo sa inyong name list. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Sante International. It's as simple as buying the Pure Barley Pack, making your name list, and attending the new distributors training. And to end, ladies and gentlemen, let me just present to you why are we doing Sante International? Why are we here? Why are we so passionate to really touch the lives of many people? Marami pong Filipino company ang nangangarap na maging international. And yes, Sante is one of them. Pero what differentiates Sante from other companies is that we're in the process of really tapping the international market. And when I say tapping the international market, it's not only going to Hong Kong, going to Japan, and just talk to Filipinos and encourage them to do the business. What we will be doing is we will be going around the world. We will be talking to Filipinos. We will start with them, but we will encourage them to tap the local market. And it's happening right now. In fact, after only 2 months in the business, meron na pong kumuha ng exclusive distributorship sa Japan. And we're of course talking about Filipinos who are starting the business in Japan, pero ngayon po sa Japan, ang mga clients po nila are Japanese. And we are excited with that because as a Filipino company, having a product, having a business opportunity for Filipinos to have an opportunity to tap the international market is something. Naniniwala po ako na darating ang panahon, ang isang Filipino company na katulad ng Sante International can really tap not only Filipinos but Malaysians, Indonesian, Japanese, even Americans. Yan po ang vision namin sa Sante International and it's happening right now. And I do believe that the next generation of network marketers, ipapanganak po yan ng Sante International. At dito po natin makikita that network marketing is really a wonderful opportunity that can give ordinary people an extraordinary income. Dito po matutupad po lahat ng pangarap natin. Kasama na po dyan yung tinatawag nating financial freedom. Napakasarap po ng buhay na balang araw, hindi nyo na pinoproblema ang pera. Na pag may nangutang, may pampautang. Pag may nagkasakit, may pampagamot. Pag may gusto tayong bilhin, kaya nating bilhin. At higit sa lahat, bukod po sa financial freedom, lahat po tayo, karamihan sa atin, na magiging part ng Sante International, magkakaroon ng tinatawag na time freedom. Meaning, earning money and spending it with your family. Aanunin po natin ang kumikita ng magandang income, ng malaking income kung wala naman tayong oras para sa pamilya natin. At yun po ang commitment namin sa Sante International. And as we end this presentation, I hope that you start your business now and start it right. Sante International is your vehicle towards achieving your dreams and vision. Tayo po rito ay sama-sama upang ma-achieve natin ang lahat ng mga bagay na minimithi natin sa ating buhay. Katulong niyo po kami at kami po ay magiging instrumento para matupad ang pangarap ng napakaraming Pilipino. Maraming salamat po. Ito po si Joey Marcelo and welcome to Sante International.
With possibilities and helping people maximize their potential and experience a complete life transformation. To empower them to achieve their dreams and to experience financial freedom. We believe we can fly, we can be on top, we can reach the sky, for we can achieve what our mind can conceive. Aim high, it's time to fulfill our dreams. Move on, keep on going on. This is our time to shine on. No walls, no limits, no